Your roadmap keeps growing, new features keep piling up, deadlines are getting closer. But hiring developers takes months, and your team is already working at full capacity. You need more engineers, and you need them now. So, what to do? In this situation, the only real solution is to partner up with a mobile app development company. Hey everyone, I'm Aleksa, CTO and co-founder at Aetherius. Over the past 10 years, I worked with many enterprises and startups that needed to scale their mobile teams, accelerate delivery, and launch high-quality mobile apps faster. And in this video, I'll walk you through the 3 most common outsourcing models in 2026, explain why each one makes sense, and help you choose the right one for your business. So, let's get started. Team augmentation. Many companies hire engineers internally. They often say it's because of better process management, higher productivity, and security reasons. But at the end of the day, most of them simply want to keep development under their direct control. Those internal teams are usually great for maintaining an existing project and making small changes, but aren't enough to deliver bigger adjustments in the project or build a new one within the deadlines or the market demands. In that situation, a development partner can provide one or more developers who join your existing team and works alongside your engineers. Engineers working in agencies usually have experience in a wide range of projects and industries, and they have faced many technical challenges. That particular experience allowed them to bring the right solution and best practices into your own project. That combination of flexibility and control is, for many companies, the most attractive partnership model. You keep ownership of the project while quickly scaling your engineering capacity when needed. This model is ideal if you already have an existing project, but development workload changes over time. You can quickly bring in additional developers when needed, keep them on the project until the planned features are completed, and then just continue with your internal team once the busy period is over. Dedicated team. The dedicated team model is a great option if you don't want to manage individual developers but still want visibility into the development process. So instead of hiring 1 or 2 engineers, you get an entire team from your development partner. Depending on your needs, the team may include mobile developers, backend developers, or QA engineers. Your role is to define business goals, provide requirements and app designs, review progress, and validate the final product. The partner team handles the team management, technical leadership, planning, and day-to-day execution. This approach is particularly useful when you have a clear product vision, but you don't want to spend time recruiting, onboarding, and managing a team yourself. As a technical person, I always like to be involved in decisions about technologies, architecture, and overall direction of a project. But from my personal experience, most of the people prefer to leave that part to the experts and focus on growing their business. One thing people don't talk about is that with a dedicated team, you're getting a group of people who are already used to working together. They already have established workflows, communication habits, and development processes. And that means that they can become more productive much faster than a newly assembled team. At the same time, you still maintain visibility into the project. Regular meetings, progress updates, sprint reviews, and planning sessions ensure that development stays aligned with your business goals. This model gives you access to a complete engineering team without the overhead and complexity of building one yourself. Before I explain the last model, I have one quick favor to ask. A huge percentage of the people who are watching this channel aren't subscribed. So, if you find this kind of content useful and you like to keep us creating more videos like this, take a second and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us grow the channel and continue making content for developers, CTOs, and mobile teams like yours. Now, let's talk about end-to-end development model. From UI design and testing to deployment. That's the simplest way to describe end-to-end development. It's usually the most expensive option, but it also requires the least involvement from your side. Together with your development partner, you define the product vision, approve the designs, features, and the roadmap. After that, the partner takes care of everything else. So your main responsibility is to check the milestones and make sure that product is aligned with your business goals. This model is often chosen by the people and the businesses who don't have technical knowledge, but they believe that building a mobile app is essential for the success of their business. Instead of learning how to manage developers, technologies, and product development, they prefer to work with a partner who can handle the entire process from idea to launch. That means fewer meetings, fewer management responsibilities, and much more time to focus on important things like customers, sales, and growing the business. The development partner is responsible for planning, execution, testing, and delivery, while you stay focused on the bigger picture and make sure the product is moving into the right direction. At Aetherius, we have a huge experience working with large enterprises, scaling complex mobile applications, and startups launching their first products. Over the years, our developers have delivered projects across multiple industries, helping companies extend their engineering capacity, accelerate development, and bring products to market faster. Some of those projects you can already find on our website. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about mobile app development, collaboration models, or anything else we discussed, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer every single one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.